Hello, my name is Halima Ferreira and I'd like to show you a really great recipe for Ramadan. It's nasi kabuli Indonesian fried chicken biryani, but with a twist. To start our recipe off, we're going to have to cook our rice. In this pan, I've got the water from the chicken. You then put some crushed lemongrass, a few shallots, some cumin, coriander, bay leaf, and a little bit of allspice. And then you just let the chicken cook in that water. You drain it and you save it for the rice. And that's exactly what I've done. So over here, I'm going to just add in a little bit more water. I'm going to add some kibbled onion. I'm going to add another fresh bay leaf in there. And last but not least, our rice. And then we're just adding it into our stock. We're going to stir that through a little bit. Mix it all together. We're going to cover it and let it cook on a low heat, about 15 minutes. And then we'll get back to that. The next step is we want to fry our chicken, so we need to get a nice big pan on. We need to put some oil in there and bring it up to 180 to about 190 degrees. So we're going to let that get up to temperature for a second. Now that we've checked our oil's hot, we're going to start placing the chicken in. But be careful with it because it can spit at you. The chicken still does have water on it on the skin, so it might spit. So do be careful when placing this in. Gently. So what I like to do is cook the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, just so it's nice and golden. We want it to be nice and crispy and a great golden color. Our chicken's ready to come out. I like to use this spider because it drains, it just helps drain that excess oil a little bit, and then put it onto some draining towel. Pan is very hot, so do be careful when frying at home. And now we're going to check on our rice. That's perfectly cooked. Steam out. I like to use a fork and go around the edges to break it apart. And now we're going to start assembling our dish. We're going to go around the edges of the rice. We're going to place it into our dish. I'm going to sprinkle some toasted pine nuts on the top. Now I'm going to place some chicken on top. And now I'm going to garnish our dish. I like to get a bit of toasted ground cumin, sprinkle it on the chicken. Some freshly chopped coriander. And to finish garnishing off, some freshly sliced cucumber. Some spring onion, and lastly, some nice little red and yellow peppers. And here we are, nasi kabuli, nice and easy for iftar, something perfect for Ramadan for the whole family. I like to serve it with the red chili sambal, which I put lime leaf, basil, lemongrass, and garlic in and cook it down really well, and a beautiful fresh side salad. Perfect for Ramadan and the whole family. I'm sure they'll love it. Bon appetit.
Come Iftar with Me is brought to you by Sainsbury's, helping everyone eat better this Ramadan.